Hey YouTube, it's Touch by Star here. I know it's been a minute since I recorded a video, but I'm here today, so that's all that matters. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Maxine hair. It's a vendor on AliExpress. I have the Kinky Straight texture in 24 inches, 150 density, 13 by 4 wig. This was actually my first time getting a pre-made wig, but so far I like the experience. I have a small head, so it fits me perfectly. But in this video, I'll be showing you how I bleach my knots, pluck the hairline, and a little bit of straightening the hair, and just, yeah. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the video because it is giving scalp, okay? Very natural, very, yes, okay? But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, this is the box that the hair came in, and once again it's the Maxine hair Kinky Straight in 24 inches, 150 density. And the box was very plain. Like, the box didn't even have the company's name on it. They didn't give me no wig cap, no lashes, no nothing. It was just very plain. But as you can see, yes, the hair texture is Kinky Straight, and to me it seems pretty full. I kind of was not satisfied with the lace because I wanted a full 13 by 4, but as you can see, only the center part is by 4. So I feel like I can only do a middle part with this hair, but for the style and its purpose, I think the hair is pretty good. To bleach my knots, I used the L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder and 50 volume developer, and I just put it in this mixing bowl and just mix it up until I get the consistency that I like, which is not too droopy and not too firm. And when you're doing this, make sure you use gloves. Like, I didn't realize I didn't have on gloves until like I was already putting the product on. So I was like, you know, it's not a big deal, but you should use gloves. I decided to bleach the knots on the mannequin head because since it was a pre-made wig, I was unable to lay the hair flat on aluminum foil to bleach the knots. So I just turned it inside out and began applying the product. And when putting the bleach on the knots, you want to make sure you're not pressing too hard, because then the bleach will leak through and then get all over the hair strands, and that will not look good. And also, you want to be sure to apply the bleach a little bit above the hairline to ensure that the knots of the hairline are actually being bleached. Once the entire frontal has bleach on it, I take the wig off of the mannequin head and begin like lifting up the strands of the hair so they're not pressed into the bleach, because you want to make sure that only your knots are getting bleached and not the hair strands. Once you're done lifting up all the hair strands, you want to let the bleach sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out with purple shampoo. After washing the frontal with purple shampoo, I condition the entire wig with silicone mix conditioner, and this is the shedding that I got in my brush, but there was a lot of shedding in the sink, so I know that this hair is going to be shedding over time. To start plucking my frontal, I begin by creating a middle part since I'm wearing the hair as a middle part, and this just allows me to know not to overly pluck this area. So yes, I just pluck along the hairline while creating parts behind the hairline and plucking, creating another part, plucking, creating another part and plucking, and this just ensures that it's like real realistic and not thick when I create my baby hairs later down the line. And this is just me showing you how much hair I plucked out from that one side. And after I go in with my foundation, my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet in R530, I use this to basically make the lace my skin color, and I go a little bit above the hairline once again, because once you cut off your lace, you are going to have a little bit extra lace that's there, so you want to still make sure that it's giving scalp. Once you're done applying the foundation to the lace, you want to go in with Got to Be Freeze Spray and then blow dry it, and this just makes sure that the foundation is dry and it won't interfere with the products that you use to actually apply your frontal. So I went on ahead and cut off the lace and added a band, and now I'm just showing you how this is my hair and it's growing out of my scalp and you can't tell me nothing, like, and that's it. I don't really have sensitive skin, but when it comes to like adhesives, it doesn't really like it, so I just use the Gorilla Snob for a very temporary hold. I just apply a big glob, as you can see, and just spread it across my hairline and then blow dry it just so it's tacky enough for once I'm ready to lay my lace down. To really press my lace into my skin, I like to use the rat tail end of my comb to like really push it in there and make sure that it's really tacked on into the glue. If you're satisfied with your lace placement, you'll start parting out the hair that you want to use as your baby hair. And once it's parted out, you'll use either a satin scarf or elastic band, anything that'll really secure the lace down, and you'll have it tied down for about 10 minutes. If you've made it this far in the video, comment down below what you think I said right here, because I was clearly feeling myself, but I want to know what y'all think I said. Now it's time for the hardest part known to man, the freaking baby hairs. Like, I don't know why, but this is the hardest part ever for me. But here I am just trimming up the hair so I don't have like adult hairs. Oh my goodness, I really make myself laugh. But yes, I'm trimming up the hair so that I can lay them down as my baby hair. And I wasn't satisfied with the way that I did it on camera, so I did eventually do them over off camera. But for the most part, this is exactly what I did. So yeah, do your baby's hair how you want. To control my part and flatten out my hair, I used a Care wax stick and a hot comb to really just press out the hair to make sure that it is really flat. For any hairstyle that I do, I love using the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Heat Protector. It just gives the hair a nice shine while making it really soft and just wonderful. Like, you need to get it. But I just apply it all throughout my hair. I apply a dime size in my hand and just rub it in. And then I'm going to show you how I straighten one piece of my hair so you can just see the difference between it in its natural state and it being actually pressed out. As you can see, when the hair is straightened, it still has that kink to it, but it is more fine. But I do like how it looks. So I'm going to finish straightening up my hair and then I'll show you the finished product. So this is the finished product. So now to get into the review. So I am reviewing Maxine hair from AliExpress, and so far the hair has been pretty good. It's really soft. My fingers are running straight through, not getting, okay, I got a little bit of shedding, I don't know, but like I showed you previously, the hair shed a lot while it was wet, but now that it's dry, it's not shedding as much, but I feel like I should expect some shedding. But I don't know, I like it. It's giving scalp. I don't know. My plan is to cut it blunt, so because I don't really like how the ends came. Oh, I'm already ranting and I didn't even tell you about the hair. So I have 24 inches, 150 density. The wig cap fits perfectly, and I don't know. I'm sorry. I just keep looking at myself because it's like really just giving scalp. And I didn't know that I would really like Kinky Straight as much as I do, but I'm really digging it.